Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best windshield chip repair kit you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many windshield chip repair kit and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each windshield chip repair kit so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a windshield chip repair kit. The first thing to look for is the type of resin included, as high-quality resin ensures a clear, long-lasting repair that prevents cracks from spreading. Next, check the ease of use. Kits with straightforward instructions and simple tools help you achieve better results even if you are a beginner. It's also important to verify compatibility, since some kits work best for small chips while others can handle larger cracks. Look for kits that include curing strips, applicators, and suction devices for precise application. Price and brand reputation also matter. Investing in a reliable brand can save you from poor quality fixes. Finally, read user reviews to understand real-world performance and durability. By keeping these key points in mind, you can repair your windshield safely and effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.